Alright, soldiers, are you trying to deploy into a match on Call of Duty Black Ops 6 but you're getting hit with a server error? It is a common issue that can stop you from getting into the fight. In this video, I'll give you a few quick and effective fixes to get you back in the game. Before you do anything else, check the game's server status. The server error message often means that servers are down for maintenance or experiencing a massive outage. You can check the official Call of Duty status page or their social media accounts like on Twitter for real-time updates. If the servers are down, you'll just have to wait for them to come back online. If the servers are running fine, the problem might be a temporary glitch on your end. The classic fix is to completely close the game and then restart it. If that doesn't work, a full restart of your console or PC can clear out any lingering network issues or software bugs. If the game is still crashing, you can also try to make sure your Windows operating system and your graphics drivers are fully updated. Outdated software can often cause crashes. Also, try running the Xbox app as an administrator. You can also try to uninstall and reinstall the game if it still crashes. Also, make sure that your firewall isn't blocking the game's connection. You might need to add an exception for Call of Duty in your firewall settings. You can also lower your graphics in the game itself to prevent blackouts. If you are still having issues, a slightly more advanced fix is to change your DNS settings. On your console or PC, go to your network settings and change your DNS from automatic to manual. Try using a public DNS like 1.1.1.1 for the primary and 1.0.0.1 for the secondary. This can sometimes provide a more stable connection to the game servers. Hopefully, one of these solutions help you get back into the fight and stop that annoying server error. If you're still stuck, you might need to contact Activision support for more in-depth assistance.